So guys, if you look closely right on your screen right now, you're going to be seeing something which are the top earners right from this platform. And you can see the first person right there, Gerald Chat, $77,000, Ryan Top Tutor, $71,000, and the list keeps going on and on. But here's the thing, I'm not going to be assuring you guys that you guys should start earning just like these guys that I just mentioned right on this video. But if you follow everything I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video and do it correctly, you stand the chance of earning $10 per day doing everything right on this video. Now, before I get started, I would like to let you guys know that this is not a Ponzi scheme. In fact, like I would always say, do away from everything that has to do with Ponzi scheme. I've been a victim before, and I don't want any of you guys, which are my followers and fans, to be a victim. So everything I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video is just a step-by-step realistic guide of how you can actually start earning money online. Although it won't make you a millionaire, but you are sure to earn something from it. Now, with that being said, let's get started with the video. So guys, this is the website I'm talking about right here. Now, you don't need to start asking of the name because I'm going to be sharing the name before the end of this video. So as you can see, this is the home page of the website, and there's a text written on the home page which says earn up to 5,000 USD a month. You can share your documents with millions of students online. You get up to $10 every time a student view your document once. So scroll down a little bit on this website shows us a hint of how the website works. Now, how it works is that you upload your document, notebooks, viewed by students, and then you earn $10, at least $10 whenever a student views your document. Now, these are the top earners right on this website. You can see, like I said before, Geralcha, $77,000, Prof. Alfred, $62,000, Ryan Top Tutor, $71,000, Mozili, $54,000, and then Odion Kedi, $44,000. Now, like I told you before, you might not start earning immediately like these guys, but you are sure to earn at least $10 per day once you do the right thing, like I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video. Now, these are some of the recent documents that was uploaded right on this platform by different people, normally students and teachers. Right here, these are reviews from people who has actually used this platform. Now, I think it's time for us to get started in using this platform for you guys to see how it actually works. Now, let's proceed by scrolling up to the main page of this platform. So we are right there already, and then for you to get started, we're going to be clicking on the Start Selling Documents Now tab located on the front page of the website. So we're going to be filling this form right here. So, but because of time, I'm not going to be using the form. I'm going to be using the shortcut, which is sign up with Google shortcut. So I'm going to be clicking on it right now. It's going to be taking me to the interface where my email is, where I'm going to be choosing one of my email to use it for my registration. So we're actually there already, and then I'm going to be choosing one of my email for the registration. Now, once I'm done, I click on continue to continue with what I'm doing right now. So guys, I've successfully registered on this platform, and for me to further finalize my registration, all I need to do is to agree to the terms and services by ticking the box of terms and services. So once I tick the box, I click on agree. Now I've successfully registered right on this platform. So this is actually the interface you're going to be seeing once you make your complete registration and accept the terms of services of this platform. Now let's talk about the kind of documents you're going to be uploading right on this platform before you can start earning money from it. Now, what documents are we talking about that you can actually upload right on this platform before you can be able to earn money from it? Well, it's simple. So the first kind of document you can actually upload on this platform to earn money is the quiz/exam prep kind of PDF document. Now, if you have any practice tests, any exam prep material and study guides that can be helpful resource for students, you can actually upload it on this platform for you to earn money. Then another one is old assignments. So if you have past homework, project reports that you did in your final year in the university or higher institution, presentation, papers, etc. that students can also review as reference, you can also upload it there to earn money. So the last but not the least kind of PDF document you can actually upload right on this platform to earn money is class notes. Now, if you have any class note that you've used in the past during your days in school, and then you feel that this class note can actually impact students or help them in solving their assignment or learning something, you can actually also upload it on this platform to earn money. And that's it. So scrolling down a little bit on this platform is actually the space where we're going to be uploading any PDF document that we want to upload. But before I proceed in uploading any PDF file right on this platform, I would like to share with you guys a pro tip on this platform that will help you increase your viewership and sales on this platform. Now the pro tip says, help students find your document by providing strong titles. Doing this has shown to increase sales by 480%. So what they are trying to say here is that whenever you are trying to upload any document, make sure you give it a title that will make it easy to be located by students who might need the material for whatever educational reasons. Now the second pro tip says, don't have the time to upload docs one at a time. You can put all your documents in a zip file or in folder, and we will review and upload them for you. So this is the second pro tip right there. And I don't think I need to start explaining this second pro tip because I know that you guys truly understand it very well. So moving on to the next thing we have, which is how you can actually maximize your earning. Now these are the tips for you to actually maximize your earning right on this platform. You can see high quality content, good titles, quality upload. Like there are a lot of things. You need to take your time and look at this stuff so that you won't make any mistake whenever you are trying to upload any PDF file. And another thing you need to have in mind right on this platform is that you must never upload any AI generated content right on this platform. Never should you do that, otherwise your account will be banned and then the AI content will be removed. And if you also look closely right on your screen right now, you will see the examples of the PDF notes that this platform accepts and the ones they don't accept. So you can use it to check the kind of PDF note that you're going to be uploading right on this platform that has a high chance of being accepted. So that's it. So moving forward on this platform is the earn free unlock feature. So this feature is a place where you're going to be doing some simple settings on your profile. Now here you can change your name to an anonymous name. If you don't want people to know who you are or your name or where you are from, you can just use an anonymous name without showing your real name right there. So this is a place you're going to be choosing your profile picture. If you don't want to use any of the avatar that is provided for you, you can actually choose your profile picture right here. So the next feature is the my upload feature. So right here on the my upload feature is where you are going to be tracking all your uploads, all your PDF notes upload on this platform, both the one that is accepted by the platform and the one that is rejected. This is where you're going to be tracking it without stress, and then this is where you're going to be checking about your earning right on this platform. And that's all you need to know about the most important features on this platform. Now the next thing on the list is showing you guys how you can actually upload your PDF note file so that you can stand a chance of earning money from this website. So right now I'm going to be clicking on the upload more files tab located right here. So I will click on choose files, and then it will bring me to the place where I'm going to be selecting my PDF. So once I select it, I click on open to upload the file. So right now this is what you're going to be seeing once you click on open to upload the file. So you need to carefully read this before you proceed in uploading the file that you have to upload on this platform, because this write-up is very important. So make sure you go through it and read it before uploading any PDF note that you have with you that you're about to upload right on this platform. Now after reading it and you are sure that you are complying with what they wrote there, the next thing you're going to do is to check their understand box right there and then click on confirm to upload your PDF successfully. So once you click on the confirm tab, this is what you're going to be seeing, and after some time you will see this, which is one file was successfully uploaded, which means you successfully uploaded your PDF note right on this platform. In same way, if your file was rejected, you will also see a note here telling you that your file was rejected. But because our file was accepted, this is what you're going to be seeing, and then this is another message that will pop up showing that they've received the PDF file that we just uploaded right on this platform. Now it usually takes 2 to 48 hours for your document to be processed and then approved by this platform. So you need to exercise a little patience while they process and review your document. And once your documents are done being processed, reviewed and approved, then you will start earning money immediately. Any student views the PDF note that you uploaded on this platform. So that's how it works, and that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any question concerning this platform that you want to ask me, please you can do it to leave it in the comment section, because I'm coming there to answer all your questions one after the other. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys in the next video.